Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice dresser that we're going to even make nicer. So follow along as we update this piece, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Alright, what we're going to do is going to remove all the hardware here so we can get this piece ready for sanding. Overall, good quality, not really anything wrong with this piece other than the drawers are very sticky on a lot of these, so we're going to be pulling those out, re-greasing the ball bearings on them so we have nice sliders on this. And our top is pretty clean, but it's very slick, so we're going to sand that down so the paint will stick to it really nice. So let's first get these handles off. Alright, drawers are out. Everything is ready for it to be sanded down. We're going to use 120 grit sandpaper with our DeWalt sander. And, well, let's see how long it takes us. We're just going to knock off the sheen off this. There's no real scratches or anything. So we just want a good surface for the paint to stick to. And we'll do this to the piece and all the drawers. So, let's begin. Alright, so we've sanded it down, we've vacuumed it out and cleaned it up. Now we can put some paint on it. And we've decided to go with our Dixie Belle Caviar Black, so it's going to look pretty good. So, we've got to get it on the piece so we can show you. So, let's begin. We'll start with the drawers, then we'll work the frame. Alright, here it is completed. It's a Dixie Belle Caviar Flat Black. I think the dresser came out pretty nice, so we'll get it up for sale. If you like this piece and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. We're always looking for those fun thumbs up and comments on our videos.